Question number 191. At Contoso Innovations, your project Phoenix team plans to add a new Power Apps app to Microsoft Teams, but a Microsoft Dataverse for Teams environment for the team has not yet been provisioned. To enable the app's data storage, you need to create a Dataverse for Teams environment. Which two actions can you perform? Option A, create a new app in Teams. Option B, install an existing app in Teams. Option C, create a new environment in the Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center. Option D, create an app permission policy in the Teams Admin Center. The correct answers are Option A, create a new app in Teams. Option B, install an existing app in Teams. Question number 192. The sales team at Contoso Limited needs to import contact records into their Dataverse environment, and the import must automatically reject any duplicate records without user intervention. You have already created a duplicate detection rule to identify duplicates. You need to configure the system to apply this rule during the data import. Which option should you configure? Option A, enable the during data import option. Option B, enable the templates for data import option. Option C, disable the allow duplicates option. Option D, enable the when a record is created or updated option. The correct answer is Option A, enable the during data import option. Question number 193. At Global Connect Solutions, the sales team uses a model-driven app to manage customer accounts in Microsoft Dataverse. The team needs to add an alternate phone number to customer records and also requires a specific list that shows all customers who do not have an alternate phone number entered. You must configure the system to meet these needs. Which features should you use? On the left side, you have the features. On the right side, you have the requirement and you need to choose the correct feature. The first requirement is add alternate phone number. The correct feature is column. The second requirement is list of customers without alternate phone number. The correct feature is few. Question number 194. You are building a model-driven app for the customer support team at Apex Auto Parts. A support agent uses a form to gather information about a customer's vehicle, which is stored in two custom Dataverse tables, client and automobile. The form must pre-populate the client's first name and last name from the client table. The agent must also be able to type in the automobile make and model. You need to implement this functionality. What should you do? The first question is pre-populate client information. The correct answer is relationship. The second question is enter automobile information. The correct answer is table. Question number 195. After you enable auditing in a Dataverse environment for Innovate Inc., the compliance department reports they are unable to view read access audit logs and cannot see any audit history for the account table. You need to determine the cause for each of these issues. What are the causes of the issues? The first question is unable to view the read access audit logs. The correct answer is auditing is not enabled at the environment level. The second question is unable to view the account table audit logs. The correct answer is auditing is disabled at the table level. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead download all questions and answers, feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 196. The operations team at Summit Logistics is adopting a new model-driven app to manage its core business data. The team requires that users be able to search for data both from within the app itself and from other enterprise locations like SharePoint or Bing for work. You need to configure the correct search solution for each requirement. What should you do? The first question is search data inside the app. The correct answer is Dataverse search. The second question is search data outside the app. The correct answer is Microsoft search. Question number 197. The business solutions team at Alpine Ski House is training new citizen developers and needs to explain the fundamental features of PowerFX. What is a key feature of the language that you should identify? Option A, it uses an undefined value for uninitialized variables. Option B, it uses formulas that are similar to Microsoft Excel formulas. Option C, it uses synchronous data operations. Option D, it uses the model-driven app formula language. The correct answer is option B. It uses formulas that are similar to Microsoft Excel formulas. Question number 198. As part of a new integration project, the solution architect at Momentum Corp are evaluating the use of virtual tables in Dataverse. What is a primary capability of virtual tables? Option A, virtual table store data in the Dataverse environment. Option B, virtual tables retrieve data from an external data source. Option C, virtual tables can be configured for user and team ownership. Option D, virtual tables support Dataverse auditing. The correct answer is option B. Virtual tables retrieve data from an external data source. Question number 199. The sales team at Contoso Inc. uses a Dataverse environment with both Canvas and model-driven app to track customer interaction. The environment includes a follow-up table with the following columns: name, company, contacted on. The team requires a mechanism to prevent duplicate follow-up record. A record is considered a duplicate if the combination of name, company, and contacted on values already exist. You need to implement a solution to meet this data integrity requirement. Solution: create an alternate key for the columns. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. Question number 200. The sales team at Viridian Dynamics uses a Dataverse environment accessed by various Canvas and model-driven apps. A custom table in the environment has the following columns: name, company, and contacted on. To ensure data integrity, the system must prevent users from creating duplicate rows in this table. You are tasked with implementing a solution. Solution: create a Microsoft Power FX formula for the columns. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option B, no.